friend's house, and here's their AC. It's running. It's a Daikin. The battery's flashing, so I think it's a 18,000 BT, so like a 310. And it's from 2010. But it has been running this whole time. Like, it hasn't turned off, so. Oh, it sounds nice though. It's kind of noisy. So I have no idea if that's normal or. Because it's working well, it's cooling the house well. Yeah, I don't know. No idea what air conditioners the neighbors have. And this one actually sounds more like a mixer, but it's definitely a scroll. I can't see anything back there. Oh, there's another unit here. Didn't know there was another air conditioner. What is this? Like a Payne, I think, and it has a Copeland scroll. Wonder if this has been running. Oh, the data is too hard to get to. Let's see. I think it has. Maybe, I don't know. I don't have enough battery to get a startup of this though. So I'll check back. I guess. And it might rain. Look. Yeah.